Howdy people, Austin here, coming back to you with another video, and I'm pretty excited about this one. My hair is messy, as you can probably tell, but I got me a motorcycle, so this is it right here. So sick, so sick. It's a 2009 Honda Shadow 750, and it has a bobber kit with white walls on it. The paint's not the best condition, but I mean, you really have to look pretty close to even notice anything. But yeah, this thing, I got this for a steal. I got it for like $4 grand. I just picked it up. Oh, the stupid fly. But yeah, I'm gonna need to get me a GoPro or something. That way I can do some moto vlogs and start doing that. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. Like I said, 750cc. My dad actually has one of these. It doesn't have a bobber kit on it, but like, yeah, it's just gonna be super fun to go ride around and have a bunch of people go hang out. We can go on cruises and stuff. But this thing barely has any barely any miles on it. Here, I can't find the key. Let's see. That's my trip. There we go. 7,277. I don't know if you guys can see that, but barely any miles. But yeah, let's go ahead and start her up. Might as well. It's a little quiet at idle, but it does have an exhaust on it. Then once you're revving it and stuff, though, it's a lot louder. Has the spring-loaded seat with the alligator-looking kind of material on it. Yeah, this thing's super sick. I love the tires. Everyone always gets black bikes, but nah, I wanted a white one. I think white just looks so much better. It's so different. But I got the black Fox helmet, my dirt bike helmet. I need to get one with a face shield, that way I can actually drive faster without my eyes watering like hell. But yeah, this is it. Now this is kind of a shorter video, but I mean, I couldn't not show you guys this. I need to get some equipment to start recording some vlogs and stuff with it. Yeah, I'm gonna need like a microphone, a GoPro and stuff like that. I already have a mount on this, and my old GoPro is just, it's way too old. It's like one of the first ones. You guys wouldn't like that content. So yeah, this is my bike, and yeah, stay tuned for more content with the bike, more content with the Mustang. Wow, I can't even talk right now. But yeah, if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.